How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to mew properly for beginners at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So mewing basically is taking taking your tongue and putting it on the roof of your mouth like this. And then you close your mouth and then you just hold that position. So again, tongue, top of your mouth like this. This is supposed to help with the jawline. This can be extremely difficult to do if you do it wrong. So what I mean by this is if you start doing this all day long when you first start off, like 12, 14 hours, literally holding your tongue like this, what happens for a lot of people is they'll do this for a couple of days and then they'll just stop doing it. Why? Because their body isn't used to doing it. The first week of mewing, I recommend only doing it for about 2 hours per day. So every single day, do it for 2 hours like this. Hold it for 2 hours and then that's it. Your second week, you can do it for 4 hours. Your third week, you can do it for 8 hours. And then the last week, you can do it all day long. I've noticed that when I do it myself, and if I do it when I first start off and I did it all day long, I maybe did this for 3 days and then I stopped. It's just too hard to do. And another thing is if you start off slow, eventually your body's going to get used to holding your tongue on the top of your mouth and then it won't be as bad. So trust me, when you're doing this, do it slow to start off. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.